Hey, I don't know if I ever showed you guys how bad my tires were on the truck. They got pretty bad over the past year and a half that I've had the truck. Got pretty low and bald. So I ended up this year, I made a decent amount of money where I went ahead and I bought all 6 tires for the dually. So I was going to show you what my old ones look like, and then we'll go show you what these new babies look like. Alright. These are the 2 best tires that I had left over from the 6. I told them to go ahead and save 2 just for spares in case I needed them. So I mean, they're not too bad, but they're definitely spare condition, not main tire. Let's go over. I'll show you the regular new ones. Here we go. Got BF Goodrich All Terrain. The KO2s. Look how deep these suckers are. They cost $187 a tire. I ended up having to buy 6 of them, plus the install, all that crap was like an extra $40 plus insurance. But this is definitely something you need when you're driving on rocks and going through construction sites or whatever. You need these thick tires. But that's it, guys.